everyone, I'm Frank.
I'm Aggie.
And we are Studio Cloud 9. Well, this is just a joke because we know that you know who we are. But the reason why we actually came here today and decided to shoot this video, guys, is pretty simple. We know that the situation right now is not easy for anyone. We are all on the same boat, and we were just hoping with this joke on the beginning just to ease up a little bit the situation. And we literally decided to come through the media like this through the video because we miss you all. We don't have much opportunities to see any of you due to the situation we are, as I already mentioned, because all the markets has been cancelled, all the upcoming events has been cancelled, and literally there is no chance for us to you know, go out and spend time on the market and actually have a chance to see you, to talk to you, and you know, keep that connection going. So despite that it has been for, you know, so long, we have decided to do one thing which can change everything. And that one thing is that we would like to create a YouTube channel which will be dedicated to what is happening behind the scene. And I think Aggie would like to tell you a little bit more what will be coming in those upcoming videos, what will be preparing for you. Because I think there is a big difference between just to buy a bath bomb because you like the smell or you like the color of it, but sometimes it's also good to have knowledge about the bath bomb, about what it contains, what is it good for, what is the difference between the bath bomb which is a little bit cheaper from supermarket and the bath bomb which is created by, you know, hand makers, people who actually put all the passion and love into it. So Aggie will tell you actually what will be the goal of us in these videos.
Yes, of course, because I am the maker, I am the brain behind it. I put all my heart and all my knowledge to create the product and to bring you, like always, something exciting and different. So in that videos, as Frank mentioned, we would like to show you differences, but not only, we will show you also techniques, so you can have little insight of it, how actually the bath bomb works, because you might know it from just the bath, your experience, but you don't know how it is made. So I will be showing you different patterns, so it will be maybe interesting for you to sometimes follow up and try to do it yourself with your kids. And we will also try and show you and bring some other products.
Absolutely. And on the top of that, I just admire her because, you know, she spent more than, I think, past 3-4 years dedicated to learn the skill of, you know, how to create the perfect bath bomb, how to create that perfect product which would actually be appealing to everyone, because everyone is different. So, you know, there's so many different ways and techniques how you can make these things. But Aggie has been ever so passionate, and she started, you know, I remember her many years ago just, you know, working in a kitchen, and now she has her own big room, her own studio with, you know, all these things around and stuff like that. So, you know, she has lots of experience. She went through failure and she went through success, and she actually learned her own way, you know, how to get to that point when everything is perfect. You know, every product is great, looks great, smells great. We have lots of positive comments and reviews from people. So I think that's why we're here. We would like to, you know, give back, you know, give some value and share what actually we know, or what Aggie knows about the bath bombs. Also, not just for people who are buying these bath bombs, but also for the bath bomb makers who can actually learn something from her and gain some knowledge from her experience she went through. So guys, we're really looking forward to shoot our first video, to first series of the videos when we will be actually introducing all these techniques, talking about the products, about, you know, what's the difference, what is it good for, and so on and so on. So stay tuned. We'll be informing you very soon about our upcoming first YouTube video, and we are very looking forward to it, guys. And for now, I think, yeah.
Yes, I think that's it for now, but we're looking forward to see you again. and
Absolutely,
we'll
yes.
update you when that will be.
Yes, once we know when everything will pass, and we hope that it will be very soon. We hope that you all keep safe, guys, that you stay home, keep safe. We do that as well. So we will let you know, and we're really looking forward to it. But for now, see you on our YouTube channel.